Okay. Come on, bite. Ah, he made it again. Ah, oh, it's still another one. Ain't his time running out?
Good.
He got how long?
He's at 3 minutes.
Oh, it look like he gonna make it, y'all. This triple OG, y'all. Triple OG Rusty. Man. Golly, man. Triple OG Rusty, man.
Something popping in the clicking. That's not good. Out here.
Golly. Triple OG Rusty. What'd he get?
Positive 14.
Start is brutal. Yeah, those first couple
And finished in 3 minutes 34 seconds.
Once you get past the start, it's right here. You gotta rock it. Yeah. Oh yeah, you gotta go forward or back to get it.
I'm finna bet. I'm gonna make me a bet before I leave here.
What did he get? He got a
334. That's not OG.
Charlie, you're up at net. You're up after him.
I haven't put one on yet, so maybe.
He made it through, y'all. They said that's not OG, that's OG Jesus. Alrighty, y'all. Here comes the hardest part of the course, right here at the beginning. You are now watching here live. Ooh, ooh, that's good. He ain't touched nothing. Man, he might got some. I feel like you gotta knock over one gate in order to be successful.
Reverse.
Dang. Please. Oh, man.
Can I touch it?
When them remote cars do that, it remind me of when you spray a roach with some Raid and it fall on his back and they be trying to get up and they can't get up.
They call it turtle.
One of them roaches, I be still spraying. They be spit you down. Sick of you, mother. What are you doing? Okay, new way. Anybody
Can I
want?
hit the gate, obviously?
Yeah, I'll just take it.
Okay.
There you go. He's already taken the gear.
Oh, now I may not reverse.
So stay up there.
I will.
There you go.
You got it. You got it, Cody.
Progress.
Okay, we got progress.
Cody killing it.
Here comes Cody, y'all.
Progress.
Okay, another progress. He making progress over here, y'all.
Paul Innovation very own.
Okay, okay. Your battery low?
No, I got one more go. I think I can make the run.
Ooh, that tire.
That's the spot.
Come on, baby. Woo! He did that. Oh! Come on. He got some suspension on this thing. You know how to work with it. Play with them controls, then.
First gate threw me off, boys. Don't break it.
Don't break it. Reverse. Oh, that was a good bite.
Man, he driving that.
That's that phone.
He must be kin oh Jesus. Look at that suspension. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's it? Dang. He got a did not finish.
Second gate took him three attempts, basically.
Cody, you were all set that gate up for medium tire. No, I'll do it.
Hey, we were going down it in medium tire.
Yeah, but you wanted to go up it.
Well, you know how many times I've done that? Like, that's like my rock, man.
Alrighty, guys. Coming up next, we have Charlie.
Oh, he's driving. Is he driving yours?
No. I just put mine in line.
No, this is a fresh battery, right?
Who is that? The programming wolf. Appreciate the follow. D1997. Appreciate the follow. Queen Marie 69. Queen Marie, you in here?
You got it, Charlie.
Queen Marie. Don't comment. You just saw Santa Claus watching. I don't know who these people is. I'm trying to see where Queen Marie from. Oh. Oh man. Boy, this a hard gate to get through. Queen Marie done disappeared. Oh, damn, that was a good one. I'm glad I caught that online.
That was legit right there.
He the only person that was able to get up it like that.
I knew something was that. All time. Choking under pressure.
So he only messed up